how to make a free private server in Grow a Garden. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a free private server in Grow a Garden step by step. So make sure to stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device and head to the main menu. Now search for Grow a Garden like you usually do, but don't hit play yet. Instead, look for a little icon next to the Game Play button. Click that, and then select Create Private Server. It'll take you to a setup page where you can name your private server. I'm naming mine Tutorial, but you can call it whatever you want. Now click Buy Now. Don't worry, it's completely free. After that, you'll get the option to customize your private server. If you customize it, you can turn on Friends Allowed so your friends can join. Add specific friends to the server members list. Generate a private link you can send directly to others so they can join without needing to be added manually. Once you've finished adjusting your settings, go back to the Private Servers tab again, right next to the Play button under Grow a Garden. You'll now see your new server listed there. If it doesn't appear right away, just refresh the page, it'll show up. Click Join to hop into your private server. And that's it. You now have a private Grow a Garden server where you can grow your plants without anyone messing with them. Invite friends, relax, and enjoy a bug-free gardening experience. If this video helped you, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.